Here's how I'm going to use ChatGPT to get me from being unemployed to employed in 30 days or less. With the new ChatGPT 4 series, it is now your time to shine in getting a job sooner rather than later. I'm going to use myself as an example to help you get hired. Here you'll see that I have already uploaded my resume and I have entered my prompt. In my prompt, I have, here is my resume. I am not unemployed, but want to find a job in 30 days or less. In your case, if you are unemployed, you can put unemployed as well. I have 5 years experience working on logistics, routing, and Excel. I've managed the account and receivable side of logistics and worked in both corporate logistics and non-corporate logistics. Can you help me? And here it has responded in helping me find a potential job in 30 days or less in logistics. So let's review it. First, right away, it's going to give me some resume optimization tips, action verbs, quantifiable achievements, and keywords, which you should always have within your resume. Next is going to give me some suggestions for LinkedIn. Of course, updating your profile picture if need be, highlights, professional headshot, and summary. But we're going to skip that part. And we're even going to skip the networking. We're going to jump in right to number 4. Job boards, company websites, and recruitment agencies. These are your top 3 strategies in finding your next career. And this example is giving me Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn, and applying directly to websites and signing up with any recruitment agencies that specialize in logistics. Now we're going to jump down to potential job titles to target. Based on my resume that I uploaded previously, there's 10 job titles I can now search for using ChatGPT. From logistics manager, warehouse, transportation, analyst, supply chain, account, the list goes on, right? And even if I wanted to expand this list, I have that option as well. And it even gave me companies to target as well. So another great insight, getting as much detailed information as possible. Amazon, FedEx, UPS, DHL, XPO, Ryder, Walmart, Target. And here are some platforms that I can use as well within it. LinkedIn Jobs, Simply Hired, ZipRecruiter, Career Builder. Now we're going to skip down all the way here. It's even providing me a cover letter, which you can always tweak, of course, to your liking. And it even asks, would you like to assist with anything else, such as refining your resume or preparing for interviews? I said yes. Here I allowed it to give me some additional responses and expertise when it came to my summary and my skill section, allowing it to add KPI tracking, financial tracking, planning, route planning, profitable maximization. The list goes on. And allowing some additional bullets if I would like to transfer those over to my existing resume. And here's the best part. Once you have all this information, your cover letter, your resume, job titles, companies, everything that you need to prepare for any potential interviews, here's some common interview questions that it will attach to your prompt as well. Tell me about your experience in logistics. How do you handle tight deadlines and pressure? Describe a time when. How do you ensure effective communication? Software tools that you are proficient in. The list is endless. You can always add to this. And any additional tips here is also listed. This is a great resource to have if you are struggling within finding your next career, your next pivot, what you should be preparing for if you've been at your job for some time. Definitely take a chance to review the new feature on ChatGPT 4.